the inspiration for starting PeakSpan, like any good entrepreneur, was driven by a recognition that there was a product gap in the market for a target customer profile that actually was quite prevalent.
Let's talk a little bit about how it's changed,
Yeah.
um, and your kind of how competitive maybe it is today, or maybe you've kind of adjusted kind of the way you approach growth equity.
If you look at the average revenue scale at investment in fund 1, 2, 3, and 4, it hasn't moved at all.
Mm-hmm.
So we have remained committed to serving that same entrepreneurial profile. And of course, there is a lot of rabid competition now, 10 years later in that same zip code. But I'm hard pressed to think of anyone that has been serving that target profile as long as we have now, because most of our strongest competitors have moved up market. And so if you think about my target customer, they have their net worth in the illiquid stock of one company that they founded that also pays their salary. The product that we offer that entrepreneur better than anyone else, I say this with huge pride of ownership and bias, better than anyone else that we compete with, is we palpably communicate not a one-to-many relationship with that entrepreneur, but a one-to-one relationship with that entrepreneur. And we build enormous comfort that if they pick PeakSpan, their risk-adjusted outcome will be better. That is our product. Our product to our target customer is if you pick PeakSpan, your risk-adjusted outcome is going to be better than we think anyone else that you could possibly talk to. And we can show that to you now 10 years in data.